Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can change your phone number on Parler app. It's real easy and it really doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or the Android because the process is pretty much the same, right? So first open Parler app, and the next step what you need to do here is to click on your profile icon that is on the top left, and then you should see these options. So press on settings and privacy, and here you need to click on security. And here you have a couple of options, so you can change your email password or your update your phone number. So press on update phone number, and then you need to put your password. So I will do this quickly. And press next, and here you can then select the country code and update your phone number. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.